Nollywood actress Angela Okorie speaks out as she reacts to reports that she was arrested over alleged cyberbullying of Mr. Johnson. Earlier, Nigerians had reacted to a video that showed the Nollywood thespian being escorted by the Nigerian police. It was alleged that the petition was filed by Mr. Johnson. While speaking with her fans on Instagram, she noted that she was simply invited by the police, so she went there. However, she made no further clarification on the matter as to whether a colleague, Mr. Johnson, was behind it.
I was invited and I went there. You know what I mean? So from now henceforth, I'm not going to be answering to people. You know what I mean? Because y'all be the ones triggering me to say shit on this platform. So I'm not going to be answering anybody. If anybody comes to my page to say, oh, this person said this about me, blah, 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 please let them deal with it. I'm not even going to reply nobody, because people will just come, trigger you to say shit, and then they be causing you issues.
Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more entertainment news updates. Keep watching Naija News TV.